In the Create Set setup, you can design a structured framework for the school timetable. This step is mandatory before building the actual timetable and significantly simplifies the process moving forward. Once the set is created, you'll be able to easily assign teachers and lectures within it. On the main screen, you'll find a form where you need to select the academic year and school. After that, choose the shift. The system will automatically show the shift start and end times based on the entries you've already created. This shift reflects the total operational hours of the school. Next, enter a suitable set name and select the classes to be assigned to this set. You can select multiple classes as per your school's structure. Then define the timings for each lecture or break. Select the start and end time. And choose the appropriate instance type, either lecture or break, based on your class schedule. You can also select the days of the week during which the lectures or breaks will take place, depending on your school's routine. To add multiple lectures or breaks within the same set, simply click the plus icon and repeat the process by entering the start and end times, instance type, and assigned days. Once all required details are filled in, click the Save button and confirm the process. The timetable set will then be successfully stored in your school's database. You can view individual set entries anytime by clicking the View icon. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.